It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,